So, me and Ryan, we met in our university. So, college yun.
First time ko siya nakita kasi meron siyang angelic quality. Para siyang may halo effect. Para siyang angel. Ganun. As in, maganda siya. Para siyang bumaba galing sa langit. Yun. So, sabi, ito na yun. Hindi ko napakawala.
Thank you for loving me at my darkest.
I promise to choose you despite the challenges, frustrations, disagreements, and disappointments.
Pinag-pray ko na sana kung bibigyan ako ni Lord ng isang taong makakasama, yung talagang inauthorize niya, yung pinless niya na makatuwang ko. Tapos yun, nakilala ko si Ryan.
Everything feels new again. Beauty tones and firelight. I never looked this way again. Never looked this way again. Darling, you look delicate.
To stay loyal, to feed you well, and to be by your side forever. I will try to be my best version of a wife for you.
Sa inyong pagiging isa, kasali ninyo ang Diyos. That is why you are facing at this altar, because you are putting God in your covenant as being husband and wife.
Pareho kami, we both agree that we grow together and we were continuously growing as a person, sa career, sa spiritual life.
Ikaw talaga yung prayer na matagal ko nang hinihintay na matupad. Kaya kahit ilang beses mo na itong narinig, salamat sa pagdating sa buhay ko.
If you shared together your dreams, your plans, your hope, your aspirations, and even to your weaknesses and frustrations, hanggang sa huli, tiyak po ako, mananatili kayo magkasama.
Pinatunayan ko naman na pure intentions ko and yun nga, parang for good na yung ano ko sa kanya, yung intention. Then, ang pinaka-challenging dyan is yun nga, niligawan ko yung magulang din. Kung hindi ikaw yung una kong makukuha, at least yung loob ng magulang mo para kung boto sila sa akin, diba, mas madali kitang mapapao. And yun nga yung nangyari. Yung trabaho ko talaga.
Piliin ka araw-araw. Kahit makita natin ang hindi maganda sa isa't isa, tayo hanggang huli.
Ready ka na ba?
Ready na. Ikaw ba, Mrs. Panaligan? Ready ka na ba? Kasi ako ready na. Let's go.
Magdasal kayo sa bawat araw na binibigyan kayo ng pagkakataon ng Diyos na kayo nananatiling mag-asawa.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Mula sa mother world. Please take my wedding gift and take care of it. Don't lose yourself along the way and let us depend on each other. I love you.
I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight.
Sana magustuhan mo itong small gift ko for you. Alam ko kasing mahilig ka sa gold stuff, lalo sa mga accessories. Kung hindi mo naman magustuhan, pwede mo ring isang la. Sana palagi mong suotin bilang paalala kung gaano kita ka-love. Huwag ka masyadong mataranta sa church mamaya. Ako lang to. See you later, Miss Panaligan. Love you so much.
I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So lose your shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. My heart beats fast when we
Hi Eunice. Ito na tayo ngayon. We're about to get married and about to be as one. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa iyo sa pagdating sa buhay ko. Yun nga, for loving me at my darkest and for staying at times that I'm not lovable.
I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So lose your shoes and dance with me, dance with me. Oh, I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made.
Together, I know that we will grow in faith and in love. We will make a good and God-fearing family. I spent a blissful 9 years with you, and I'm excited to spend the rest of my years with you. I love you.